Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Senri New Town. Senri New Town is in the north of Osaka. It is in both Suita city and Toyonaka city. It was built in 1962 as Japan's first planned new town. The goal was to make a better place to live during a time when cities was too crowded. This town was designed to make life easy. It has homes, shops, schools, parks, and hospitals. People don't need to drive a car to live here. It's a good place to walk and enjoy daily life. It is also a model for future smart cities. In recent years, the town has started to change. New buildings are being made to support old people and families with children. More foreign families and students live here now. There are signs in many languages and events to help people from other countries. It's a town that wants to welcome everyone. In 2023, new train and road projects began. These changes are to prepare for Expo 2025 in Osaka. Around Senri Chuo Station, there are new shops and tall buildings. You can see both old and new style of life here. These are also many parks with beautiful trees and flowers. Senri Minami Park and Senri Chuo Park are a good place to walk and relax. In spring, people come to see cherry blossoms. In autumn, the leaves turn red and yellow. Senri New Town is a place to feel both the past and the future. This is a good place to visit want to see a special part of Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.